In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find new Uber Eats promo code. First, open the Uber Eats app and head to Account, then Wallet, and then Promotions. This is the central hub where active and eligible offers appear, and it's the first place you should check before you order. You'll often see categories like ride discounts, first-time user offers, Uber Eats coupons, and referral rewards. Tap into any offer to read the fine print. Look for expiration dates, minimum order amounts, delivery or pickup restrictions, and location or account eligibility. If you already have a code, you can usually add it in this same promotions area. Also, keep in mind that availability is tied to your region and time of day, so it's smart to check back regularly. If you prefer browsing on a computer, you can also visit the official Uber website and sign in to view active deals tied to your account. Next, take advantage of referral codes from friends or trusted creators. When you sign up with a referral, you may receive ride credits or delivery discounts, and the person who shared the code may earn rewards too. Make sure the code is applied during sign up or added to your promotions before your first qualifying order, since many referrals only work for new users or a first purchase. These codes are typically time-limited and region-specific, so use them promptly. Later on, once you're eligible, you can share your own referral code with others to keep the savings going. You should also follow Uber's promotions online. Check your email for newsletters, and in the app, ensure marketing emails and push notifications are enabled so you don't miss flash deals. Seasonal campaigns tied to holidays, weekends, or big events often bring short-lived promos. For social updates, follow Uber's official pages on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. When you see a promo, tap through to view the terms and add it to your account as soon as possible, since some offers have limited redemption counts. Finally, look for partner deals and credit card offers. Banks, mobile wallets, student programs, and memberships frequently run Uber-related promos such as cashback, statement credits, or targeted coupons. Examples can include PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, or local e-wallets. Check your bank's rewards or offers tab, activate any required deal, and pay with